Hi! Alright, today we're going to go over price lists. And you may be watching this video for the reason of just learning how to set up a price list, or you could be setting one up right now and you're stuck and you're not really sure why it's not working. I see that happen a lot. So that's the reason why I'm doing this video. But with price lists, you can set special pricing based on volume. So if you have ranges, if someone purchases from 1 to 100, give them one price, 101 to 199, this other price. You could also set the pricing for individual items or services. So if you want to just have set prices for each item, and then you can mark up or mark down by percentage. So there are different ways that you could do this, but in this video today, we are going to set pricing for individual products. All right. Before I go into it though, please be sure to subscribe because it helps us reach more people like you. All right, so right now I am in Zoho 1 and I am going to go to Zoho Books. All right, so right now I have Zoho Books open already, but I'm just going to show you how to get there from Zoho 1. So I have this list of books here, right, that I am going to add into a price list. This is the price that's already in the system. This is the special rate that I want to apply to each of those items. All right, so here is where the price lists are under items. If you don't see that, go into the settings and be sure to turn that on, enable your price list. Click on new price list and we're going to name it book pricing or book price list. All right, we're going to do this for sales so that whenever we create a sales order, we'll have the special pricing. And we're going to do it for individual items because we have 5 books that we want to update. All right, we're going to do unit pricing. And I'm going to click on this little toggle over here that says import price list for items. I already have a spreadsheet, already have the CSV file. I'm just simply going to upload it. Now, the first thing you need to do if you're going to go this route is to export your items that are in the system, which I've already done. Exporting them will give you the right format and the right SKUs and everything, so you don't actually have to type all of that out for each item. Export it first, add your special pricing to that column that I showed you, which is here, and then that's it. Now you're going to import it. All right, so we go to import, click on price list. Hopefully it'll let me do that while this is still open. Maybe not. All right, so now we're going to save and we have book price list. Now this is the step that gets skipped most often. You have to apply that price list to the customer or vendor, right? So I am going to go into my customers and choose Jack Jackson. I want to apply that price list so that he will get the special pricing for those books. And there we go. So if you didn't catch that, I went to edit and then I saw price. You see price list here with the drop down. If you have multiple price lists, then they'll all be listed and then you choose the price list. Whenever there is a sales order created for Jack Jackson, I can't remember what his company was, but maybe this is it. Okay. It automatically applied this price list. Did you see that? So before we chose his name, okay, there was no price list. Then we went in and typed in Jack Jackson and then the price list appeared. All right. Now if I go in and I add book 1, he gets the special rate. He gets book 1 for $12.99. If we go back to our spreadsheet, we see that book 1 is actually $14.99. So he got the special pricing. And that is how you set up your price list. If you have any questions or if you have comments, just leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And then if you haven't already, be sure to download our ebook, which is a simple guide to customizing a simple system using Zoho. It will answer a lot of questions. It will help you get started if you are new to Zoho and you're not sure what to choose as far as the applications. I know it can be overwhelming, but that book will guide you through the whole process. So do that, and then also you can subscribe or register for our academy. At the bottom of the screen you'll see learn.successfulsolutions.com. All right, I hope to see you there.